Hi everyone, welcome to Mastertuition. I'm Facilitator Bryan, your ultimate writing companion. Today, I'll show you how to make your email writing better, especially for school exams like PT3, SPM, or IGCSE second language. Here's today's email question. My cousin and I are planning to visit your town, Malacca. Can you suggest some places we should visit in your town? Now, most students would write something like this. You can visit A Formosa, the Red House, and many other attractions. Is there anything wrong with that sentence? No. It's grammatically correct. But here's the problem. Almost every student writes like this. That means you only get a band B, not an A. A band B, not an A. So how can we make it better? Let's improve this sentence using two tips. Number one, be more descriptive. Use vivid, high-level language. Tip two, move from general to specific. Don't just list, explain. Instead of jumping straight into names like A Formosa and the Red House, ask yourself, what are these places? Why should the reader care? So here a better version. As Malacca is world-renowned for its historical sites, you can visit A Formosa, the Red House, and St. Paul Church. This sentence gives context. It uses a formal, polished tone. It tells the examiner why those places matter. That's how you go from a band B to band A. Want more writing gems like this? Follow Mastertuition for weekly tips that wow. Until next time, write smart, write vivid. Bye.